today I'm going to unboxing this LINKDENS VU, as you can see. And also you can see the QScan Plus. So this is gonna be the core package. And then today I'm gonna show you what's in the box for the LINKDENS VU and then how to use it. So let me open this box. It's very simple. When you open this box, you can see this LINKDENS VU user manual. And I see the very slick look of the device. And then there's a light guide tip, as you can see. So I just want to connect as I'm going through. And then let's see what's more in here. So I see the charging cradle. So it can go on top like this. And there's an adapter. So there's an adapter. So actually it got separated. So let me just hook it up. It's very simple. And I want to hook this cable to the end. You see the spot that you can hook this cable. And there are two goggles. So I guess one for me, one for the patient. So let me see inside how it looks. This goggle is not just a regular goggle, but actually it has a special filter in it. So when you're using this LINKDENS VU and with this special light integrated this goggle, gonna show you different technology. And there's the same one, another goggle for your patient. So when you look at this LINKDENS VU, the machine is very compact and very light. So it's like a regular intraoral camera. I don't see any weight too much in here. And when you open it, there's a little red cap, so you have to take it out. This is just for the protection. So let me take this one off. So there are 3 buttons. So there's a power button on the bottom. When you press the one time, then you can see that the interface displays the name of it, how many seconds it is on. So it's blinking like this. So if you need to charge, then you will see the full charge screen. But as of now, I just opened this box, so there's no much energy in there. And also there's the other button, S and M. So S is like a start and then stop. So when you turn on this button, when you're using to your patient, you have to press the stop button, then you will see this light coming off from the tip. So, and then you're also gonna see that there's the time. So it's gonna be on for the 60 seconds. So during the 60 seconds, you can see your patient easily just diagnose and check the teeth. And then if the time is up, you can simply press one more time the S button, then you will get another 60 seconds. But then after 30 or 40 seconds, you want to stop it, then you can press this S button one more time, then it will stop so you don't see the light. And then there's another button called M. So this M button, when you turn on the S, and then you can press this M button to make it the brightness. So if you want to make it the light more intense, then you can press this M button, then you can change that. So we have a high and the normal function in here. And then this is the protective goggle. So when you use this LINKDENS VU, you want to protect your eyes from this light. So you want to use this. But also without these glasses, you cannot really using the biofluorescence imaging system technology. To using that, you have to wear these glasses because this is not only protect, but also show you more clear picture of the cracks and the oral biofilms. But there's one thing very cool stuff here. So what they made is something special like this. It is a kind of clip-on lens. So you can actually use on your regular glasses. So you can kind of clip on like this. And then when you're using to your patient, you can just put it up like that. And then you can just, this is not my glasses, so it feels a little bit weird, but you can just wear like this your regular glasses, and when you're using this VU, you just put it down, and then you're using this machine so that you can see the plug and cracks very easily. Also here, very easy to clip on. So as you can see, just one snap like this, then you can clip this clip-on lenses on the glasses like that. So either you can put this one on your regular glasses, or you can also using it for your loops. So what are cool things, I think you're gonna like this more than just regular goggles, because you don't have to keep taking off your glasses and put it on. So I think this is a kind of very good stuff to add on. You can, so this one is not in the package. So if you like to using this clip-on lens, you have to separately order. So it is option. If you are interested in LINKDENS VU or have any questions, feel free to contact us at